It's early morning and you're in Hot Springs, Arkansas. Let's go on a waterfall trip. Here is the first leg of our trip. Don't worry, it looks like it's a long ways. But this particular leg of the trip will only take about 1 to 2 hours of hiking time and 2 hours of driving time. There is plenty of day left to come. For this video, all the coordinates and maps are courtesy of the dog you see in this picture right here. His name is Leeds. He has a really cool human too. His name is Jazz Rogers. They make a lot of good videos and supply excellent information. Check out their Facebook page that you see on this pic. First stop, Fall Creek Falls. Today we're going to take the back way in. Don't listen to the map. Hike along the edge of the lake and you will get to this waterfall much quicker. However, if you have time to spare, take the whole trip. It is well worth it. Odds are you won't catch it looking like this, but more like this. Second stop, Bluebird Falls, aka Cool Pool. This one is just off the side of the road. Enjoy. Continue following that leg and find your way to Norman. This map takes off from there. Don't get full. Don't take the first turn to the Albert Pike Recreation Area. Continue on. You will eventually find a sign that leads you into the Caney Creek Wilderness and to Little Missouri Falls. Take that one. As you near the top of Mosquito Gap, you'll find this cool slide off to your right. Take time. It looks much better than this video can ever show you. As you descend from Mosquito Gap, the road will eventually come to a creek. Make a sharp right and cross it. From that point on, all the way down to Crooked Creek Falls, there are multiple waterfalls along that stretch. They are down in the dip on your right as you head down the road. Pick you a spot, take whatever pictures you can. Eventually, there are 2 places that you can get out and hike back to those waterfalls. Enjoy. This is facing the rock falls. This video is from a bluff below Upper Crooked Creek Falls, looking back up at it and then way up above it. Crooked Creek Falls. Ain't gonna say anything about it. Go experience it yourself. A few hidden gems found below Crooked Creek Falls. You have to explore more. The gem of the area, Little Missouri Falls, is a half-a-mile round-trip hike at best. There is so much to see here. This concludes our day trip. Find you accommodations at DeQueen, Mena, Arkadelphia, or Hot Springs. Stay tuned for a topographic clip of the hike.